In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check if StockX Tag is real. 2025, step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly what to look for on the tag, how to test it, and what to do if something feels off. Start by learning what a genuine tag looks like. Authentic tags are a bright neon green, not dull or dark, and they use a thick, high-quality plastic loop. The printing should be clean and sharp with no blur, and the StockX logo should have correct font and spacing. Newer tags also include a QR code. If you notice a flimsy string, a crooked logo, spelling mistakes, or poor print quality, treat those as red flags. Check the color in natural light and run a fingertip across the print. Real tags don't smudge and the edges look precise. If your tag has a QR code, scan it with your phone's camera or a QR app. A proper scan should take you to StockX.com or a StockX verification or info page. If it directs you to a random site, shows an error, or does nothing, that's highly suspicious. Keep in mind that older authentic tags may not have a QR code, so use this as one clue, not the only one. Look closely at how the tag is attached. Real StockX tags use a tamper-resistant plastic loop that can't be removed and reattached cleanly. If you see twist ties, easily removable loops, or rethreaded strings, consider that a warning. Check for stress marks or whitening near the lock point. Messy marks can indicate tampering. Next, compare your tag to a verified authentic reference. Use a pair purchased directly from StockX if you have one, or pull up photos on their official site or app. Pay attention to the tag's shape, hole placement, logo size, and text spacing. Tiny differences matter here, so do a side-by-side and zoom in. Here's the big truth. A StockX tag alone does not prove authenticity. Counterfeiters can buy real tags, reuse old ones, or attach them to fake shoes. A real tag doesn't guarantee real shoes, and a missing tag doesn't automatically mean fake if the pair came from somewhere else. So verify the shoes themselves, check stitching consistency, feel the materials, and compare the SKU and size tag to the box and official listings. Even the smell test can help, and legit check apps or communities are useful. Take clear, well-lit photos if you ask for help. If you think the tag is fake, don't remove it. Contact StockX support right away. If you bought elsewhere, request a refund and provide photos of